Well, we continue to track Tropical Storm Erica as she moves to the west. It has moved further west and south, and the computer models are forecast projected today. So that changes the track as we go down the road, most likely. And the models have been adjusting more west and south as we've gone through the day and may adjust a little further. We'll see. Right now, the center is right on the south coast of the Dominican Republic. You can see thunderstorms flaring up there. I don't think that's so much that the center is well organized, but because it's encountering the terrain of the mountains, which helps to lift moisture and produce more heavy rain. So when we see this get on the other side of the island, that's really going to determine, and we're going to find out how weak it is and whether or not it may weaken to a tropical wave. Right now, the National Hurricane Center has at least going down to a tropical depression and possibly a tropical wave as we go through tomorrow. A tropical wave means it would no longer have a closed circulation, making it harder for it to reorganize. Now, if it does still have a closed circulation, there will be a chance that it could come back as a tropical storm, and more likely it will be a weaker tropical storm. So you wouldn't be concerned about the wind so much for Florida and eventually for us, but more of a heavy rainmaker, as it still looks like at some point it'll track north. Not necessarily right here, but perhaps a little bit further west, as some models take it further west. And again, we're mainly looking at the possibility of some heavy rain heading up our way toward the middle of next week. So that's the primary thing we're going to be keeping an eye out for. Our Futurecast computer model here shows the system here near the Dominican Republic, what's left of it tracking near Cuba later tomorrow, and then off to the southwest of Florida perhaps through the Keys on Sunday afternoon, and then making more of a north turn as we head into Monday and Tuesday in the eastern Gulf. So potential there perhaps for some heavy rain midweek next week. Speaking of heavy rain, we do have some downpours drifting southwest this evening, just north of Hilton Head. Looks like a little more rain will affect you in Bluffton. We're also tracking some heavy rain in Savannah from Garden City to a portion of downtown, also down to Georgetown. Now, this will cause some temporary ponding of water in a few spots, but the activity is moving along, so it will continue to drift south. It may affect you in Richmond Hill coming up in a bit. And if you're heading out to the games this evening, I would take your umbrella with you, especially along the coastal counties, as we do have some rain early this evening. That should go away, but then we'll have another chance for some downpours as we head through the day tomorrow. All right, let's track your 7-day forecast. Through the weekend, we're going to have more clouds than sun tomorrow. A good chance of showers and thunder. There could be some heavy rain in spots. Probably last for an hour or two when you get that. And then Sunday, a little lower chance of rain. And next week, as we get to about Wednesday, if we see any effects from Erica like heavy rain, that's about when we likely would see it.